If you want to know all about what makes Dunster House Climbing Frames the most impressive, safe and long-lasting on the market, take a look at this great model, the Monkey Fort Woodland, and explore the features and benefits of our climbing frame range.
We fully pressure treat our timber, meaning less maintenance is required, and also protects the climbing frame from the threat of rot or insect infestation, against which our climbing frames are guaranteed for 10 years. Some competitors will only use dip-treated or even untreated timber, meaning you cannot rely on the product to last for as long.
Make sure your kids are being challenged. Unlike most competitors, we feature monkey bars on nearly all our products, to make the experience more than just swinging and sliding. We make life easier by providing all standing platforms pre-assembled. This helps you to get the climbing frame up and running much quicker than those of some competitors who provide large amounts of timber for a more complicated build. At Dunster House, we go a step further in ensuring the top level of safety by testing all our climbing frames independently to be sure that you have 100% confidence in the safety of our products. Secure your climbing frame using metal ground anchors, supplied at no extra cost. You may find that some of our competitors wish for you to pay extra for these vital components, or that they use a material other than metal, such as plastic. Our strong plastic slides are delivered complete and ready to be attached straight onto your structure. We offer a range of options for swings, like duo seats, nest swings, trapeze swings and baby seats.
Our clamp-style swing hooks are far more secure than the bolt-through style used by some of our competitors. They give additional reinforcement to the timber, whilst being fitted with a carabiner that can attach to any interchangeable additional swing you might have purchased to swap onto your climbing frame.
Why settle for second best when you can have a Dunster?